Welcome to the With Insight Education Tutor portal. When you log in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, where you can view all your upcoming sessions. To schedule lessons with your mentee, click Edit Preferences or Set Availability. Create a one-to-one booking and select the mentee, date, time, duration, mentoring, all levels, online, and the frequency. Once confirmed, these lessons will appear automatically in the Booked tab under My Timetable. Your mentees can also request lessons with you. These requests will appear under the Requests tab in your timetable. Simply click Accept, and the lesson will move to the Booked tab. You will also receive a calendar invite with all lesson details, including the meeting link. To join, either access the link from your timetable page in the portal or click the link in your calendar invite. The link becomes available 15 minutes before the lesson and will take you directly to the online classroom. To view recordings of past lessons, navigate to the Completed section. To message your mentees directly, go to Message Mentees. You will only be able to message the mentees you teach. Navigate to Admin and then Profile to update your personal information. Click your profile image to upload a photo or select an avatar. If needed, click Change Password to update your password. If you experience any issues or would like to report a bug, click the Report Bugs section. We're always happy to help.